Morning guys, this is day 7 of our holiday, the last and final day. So we're going to do a bit of stuff around pool and then we're going to have a walk on to the shopping centre and yeah, do a bit of strolling. So yeah, join us for this last and final day. Bit of packing involved as well maybe later. Okay, see you then. Thank you. I need to find myself a hat, baby. For the last day. Oh, then again, can I be bothered? It seems surprisingly quiet today.
I know.
Not many children screaming around, and so whether loads of people have gone home and stuff, or there might be something going off in kids club maybe. But round the pool it's pretty quiet. Right, time to get a pina colada I think, and an orange juice for Kath. Rather from surfing here. Oh, it's not mature in the surf. Happy Christmas. Peaky Blinders. What Christmas songs? Your takeaways are open. Yeah, it's quiet. Okay. And that's that. Lauren's last day today.
Yeah, it is.
And how have you found the holiday?
I had a good holiday. We've done a lot of walking. We've rested and all in between. Weather's been good to us. Yeah, nice. Playa Blanca, lovely. Come again.
Yeah, I love the place, Playa Blanca. Loads of bars and restaurants and marinas and ports and everything. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Yeah, nice people, nice food. of the stretch at Playa Blanca with all the bars and restaurants. Oldie worldy section. I'm not actually sure what this area is called, but it's down by the marina. But some nice little restaurants, some bars and stuff. And you can sit there and glass of wine and check out the boats. Morning guys, we're on day 8 of our holiday, our departure day. Apologies for this short video, my battery died last night and I couldn't really take any film, so it went gazump. But we walked on the front to a nice restaurant which played nice background music. So we had 3 or 4 glasses of wine and yeah, listened to the music. And then we went for I think I had a pizza last night. So it was nice, yeah, it was relaxing. And then we came back to the hotel for a nightcap. So today we are going to go for breakfast, finish off a bit of packing, and then wait for the bus picking us up at 11:45. And then to the airport, and hopefully there'll be no delays, and we should land in the UK for around about 6:30. Leeds Bradford. So yeah, back to the old miserable grey UK weather. Okay, so yeah, if this is the first video you've seen from me, there's another 4 parts to this trilogy, quadruple, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so it comes in 4 parts, and there's a few little walks to the beach and a walk around the apartment as well and around the resort. So yeah guys, and coming up in the next month we've got Rome, so stay tuned for that, and like and subscribe guys, and then when I do put new videos on, you'll be the first ones to see it. So once again, thanks for your support. Click the like button as well because it helps the algorithms. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Cracking. Time to get out of here. Well, we're just having a quick coke. Last drink of the holiday before we wait for the coach. Enjoying the last of the sunshine.
Sort that out for you, okay?
Right, so that's us to the airport after about an hour coach ride. We just got through security, so we'll go through departures and grab a bite to eat, and all good fun. And that, Mrs. Mathers, is the Playa Blanca Lanzarote holiday finished with. Now boarding the plane back to Leeds Bradford, due to land about 7:30ish. So yeah, here's till next time, and that will be Rome in February.
Adios.
Adios.
Tolerance policy to protect you or with you.